I got this sweet Yamaha RX15 drum machine off eBay. It's pretty cool other than the fact that a couple of the buttons weren't working when I got it. I knew it because I got it super cheap. What I want to do is fix these buttons, and it should be an easy fix because a lot of the buttons work and some of the buttons don't work, which indicates to me the problem is mechanically with the switches inside of the unit. So I went ahead and opened the thing up, which wasn't very difficult, and it was immediately apparent, like with many 80s keyboard devices, that somebody had spilled a soda or something into this, possibly many years ago. There was corrosion all over the circuit boards, and then if you look at my picture here, you'll see that I zoom into the actual contacts on the switch, and they're caked in green corrosion. It's no wonder why these things didn't work at all. I mean, there's no electrical contact going to happen on that. So what I'm going to do is clean this corrosion off, and I think this thing should work just fine. What I'm going to use is a product which I've used for a lot of other things like this. It's called Deoxit. And Deoxit is like a really nice, powerful contact cleaner. I've used it to fix all kinds of things before. So I just sprayed a little bit of this onto the circuit board, into each switch, kind of exercise the switches. Yeah, I got this sonic spin brush that I'm going to use for kind of working it in and cleaning up the circuit board too, get all the coke and the corrosion and the green bush off of there. As you can see, it's a little bit cleaner now, and then by the time I finished it, you have a sparkling clean switch. I actually went back in and also stuck a very thin slice of sandpaper down into the contact, pressed the button and pulled it out to get any bit of corrosion right off of the direct part of the contacts. Anyway, it works great now. This fix should work on a lot of other Yamaha 80s drum machines. I was looking, and I know that several other models use the same type of contact switches. They're not sealed, which is why they're susceptible to corrosion. Alright, throw me a like if the video helped you out. Also check out my channel if you're into DOS, 80s computers, or MIDI.